Hey besties. Okay, quick video. I'm not even supposed to be doing this today. This is supposed to be a day I'm like basically taking a break from YouTube. I'm just not supposed to be here, but everyone's excited about this LV Bloom pouch that's coming out. And you guys, what freaks me out, how do you guys know my collection better than me? So I posted a video yesterday. You guys seen the video, right? And so I was so excited about the yellow bloom, okay? Meaning the yellow banana color. It's not vachetta, okay? It's just like a pale yellow. I was excited about that. I didn't show the pink because I was just like, you know what? I really don't just wear pink like that. And guys, and not to just put it and lock it into a certain season, I sold all of my pink handbags, okay? So I really don't just have pink in my collection like that, but it is beautiful with canvas, with monogram canvas. I love pink and monogram canvas. The combo is amazing. And so you guys were like, Marquita, why won't you go for the pink? You have an SLG, a card holder that matches. I'm like, no, I don't. You guys are like, yes, you do. I'm going back and forth with you guys, and I'm like, you know what? Let me get up and check my SLGs, and guess what? Yes, I do. I do have a card holder, guys. Oh my God, I totally forgot about this. It was on the chopping block. Like, I totally forgot about it. And so, guys, I do have this beautiful card holder that matches the LV Bloom pouch with the beautiful rose ballerine pink. So that is going to be so gorgeous. And I also forgot about my passport holder. I can just put some cards over here, guys. I can make it work. Here it is. I can just put some cards over here. I mean, is that a sign? Is that a sign that I need to go ahead and get the pink? I said no more monogram canvas handbags in my collection, but guys, it is so adorable. I have reached out. No one knows the dimension. Only thing they keep telling me is that it's bigger than a Speedy 20. So I have my beautiful Speedy 20 here. I absolutely love this handbag. You guys know. So I'm thinking it's just a little bit longer. And when I say longer, I mean sideways. And then when I turn it to the side, guys, I'm thinking that the LV flower on the side is honestly the correct placement here. Do you guys see what I'm saying? The flower design here on the side, and I love how long and deep the Speedy 20 is. I hold so much in this handbag. So the flower is here on the side, okay? It has a top zipper. We know this. One zipper. They should have had two zippers just like this. If they're not going to go all the way extended, which is smart because you know the flower is on the side, at least have two zippers. Give us some more gold hardware. I absolutely would have loved it even more. So we have the LV flower on the side. Turn it to the front. I mean, every CA is basically saying it's bigger than a Speedy 20, guys. That's the word on the street. No one has like officially gave us any dimensions. They are just guessing. I'm going to say, I said a Speedy 20. I'm going to say a Speedy 22. Just a little bit larger, okay? But we have to keep in mind the word pouch. The word pouch when it comes to LV. I think the price point is okay. I think it's okay, but again, we have to get the dimensions and we have to really see how large the handbag is. And also, when I speak on straps, the pink strap, for some reason, it's okay to me, but I always feel like those straps, those leather straps, are very just thin. I don't know. I don't like them. I think it just takes away from the handbag, but having that gold chain strap, that's a plus, okay? Because I love carrying handbags as totes versus crossbodies. I don't know why. I just love chain straps on handbags. But we do have the monogram straps, guys. So when I speak of monogram straps, this is what I mean. I take from basically which handbag? It's the Pochette Matisse. I took from the Pochette Matisse, and also my Speedy 30, the Teddy Speedy 30, guys. As you can see, I take apart these straps and I adjust them to my liking, okay? I play with the straps, guys. So if you are lucky enough to get handbags that come with the monogram canvas strap, guys, please try to hold on to that handbag. I swear, try to hold on to the handbag, because if you sell the handbag, the strap has to go as well. So try to hang on to those handbags. I really am looking at the Bloom handbag. For me, it's not just another monogram canvas handbag. I love the price point. And I also love the design. That flower on the side is just speaking to me. The creativity, I absolutely love it. And it's a showstopper. It's a showstopper, and it doesn't sit flat. It doesn't look like it sits flat, guys. As you can see, the shape on the side. So I had to hop on here, like I said, to do a quick video just to let you guys know, yes, I am aware of the pink. I was only speaking on the yellow banana color, the pale color, because a lot of people was like, the color is a no-no. Yes, that color is absolutely amazing with monogram canvas. And for you guys that are asking for the color black, I'm pretty sure they're not going to release a color black because it's the summer holiday 2024 collection, and releasing black in the summertime, I really don't see LV making that move. But if they do make that move later on in the future, I can see them coming out with different colors. And I'm still going to say reverse monogram will most definitely make the bag pop. They need some reverse monogram. So you guys, if you get the dimensions, if your CA is able to get the dimensions, like I've been speaking to everyone, no one knows the dimensions, guys. Everyone keeps, like I said, basically saying that it is larger than a Speedy 20, and I adore the Speedy 20. So if you have a Speedy 22, I'm guessing that's the size, since everyone is saying that. Let me know how you feel. Like I said, the pink is absolutely adorable, and thank you guys for pointing it out. My collection, I'm still trying to work around a lot of things and just trying to find room for a lot of things. And this was honestly, like I said, on the chopping block. So thank you guys for being nosy. It paid off. You guys know my collection better than I do, and that's why we are besties, okay? So let me know how you feel. And for some reason, I just want to put this strap on this Speedy 20. For some reason, I don't know. I just want to put it on. Let me, guys, I have so much going on. Let me put these straps down. I have 1,000,001 straps, like I said. And see, guys, you can just adjust to your liking. And I had this on the mini bum bag. That's why it's so short. Okay, and you can extend it a little bit longer. And like I said, guys, I can add more pieces to it as well. Let me just put this here. These straps do be kicking my butt, though. Okay, let's see. Putting it on. Do you see how cute it is, guys? Do you see how cute? Get a monogram strap. Get a monogram canvas strap. You gotta find the handbag. Get the strap and sell the bag. I don't know what you're gonna do, but you need this in your collection. Make sure it's adjustable, guys, okay? But it is just so cute. And you don't have to worry about the transferring of the oily fingers, the hands, and the rain. It's just so cute with this, okay? So I am going to just basically look at the Speedy 20 and just hope that the LV Bloom is bigger. That's all we can go with. And guys, if you get the dimensions, let me know in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram. As always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed until the actual video day, okay? You guys got me. Mwah. Bye-bye.